Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your phone supports ESIM and is unlocked. This prevents activation errors. Once confirmed, request the Mobimatter Esim in the app or via the carrier's portal and provide ID and payment. Make sure to copy or save the activation code or QR because you'll need it in the next step. While you wait for the QR, review your current plan choices so you select the correct profile. This saves time and avoids multiple installs. You now add the ESIM profile on your device. Open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, then choose Add ESIM. Scan the Mobimatter QR provided or type the activation code exactly. Accuracy matters because incorrect digits block provisioning. Once installed, label the new profile and set whether it's primary for calls/data or secondary for roaming. Then restart your phone or toggle airplane mode to let the network You finish by verifying connectivity. Check signal bars, browse a web page, and send an SMS to confirm voice and data. If data is slow, verify the APN matches Mobimatter settings. Incorrect APN prevents internet. Once satisfied, set your default line for data or calls in cellular settings. If activation fails, rescan the QR or re-enter details, and if that doesn't work, contact Mobimatter support with your device model and IMEI so they can troubleshoot provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.